Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown back with another video for you. And I've been today I was kind of out. I had a program I was involved in, a Christmas program, and I was singing, having a great time, and came back home, got something to eat, and said I'm gonna go to work, because I was off Thanksgiving, didn't do a whole lot, so I'm getting back into the swing of things. And I just want to share this program with you because it is powerful, and there's so many different parts to it. Okay, so many opportunities to share your business, your products, your service with people. And it really is about making money, isn't it? I mean, you want to make money. You want to build a business, or you want to build your affiliate program, whatever it is you want to do. And this is something that will help you to do just that. Okay, so let's get into this. We're not going to be long in this video. I'll share it with you, and then we're going to close out this video. Okay, but as you can see, free squeeze page builder. Okay, 12 incredible designs to pick from, no cost ever. And what I like to do, I like to share, programs that are not, you don't have to spend an arm and a leg to get involved in them, okay, and to make money, okay. And this is one of those programs. They're like, as I said, there are different parts to this program, many different components, ways you can make money in this system alone, okay. And or you can just use the products, many of them free advertising, and you can benefit from just doing that. Okay, I'm getting excited, getting ahead of myself, but nonetheless, I hope you understand what I'm saying. All right, now look at this. Use our squeeze page builder with any autoresponder or affiliate program. Okay, now I do have an autoresponder that I use. All right. And I also have an affiliate program that I'm involved in. I call it the perfect side hustle opportunity. As a matter of fact, I'm going to leave a link to my newsletter, okay, where you can sign up. Look, it's absolutely free to sign up, okay, and you can get some valuable information in my newsletter. It's called the Make Money Online and Personal Growth Newsletter. And that's what you're going to find. You're going to find ways to make money in that newsletter. And you're also going to get some information on personal growth and development, mindset development. Okay, you're going to be inspired and encouraged and success motivated. Okay, successfully motivated. Okay. I'm just having fun, but you get the idea. Now look at this. Okay, but I'm also going to leave the link directly to this page. Okay, so you don't have to sign up for the newsletter unless you want to, but you're going to get this information for this page. Okay, I'm going to leave a link to this page and also to the newsletter, so you do it the way you want to do it. You understand what I'm saying? Okay, now look at this. Use our squeeze page builder again with any autoresponder or affiliate program. All right, plus included is our ultimate credit giveaway area. You have got to do this, okay? All right, let's look at this. Squeeze page builder, unlimited use. Create as many pages as you like. Classified ads, post ads to over 5,000 sites. Look at this, y'all. Earn credits with no limits, okay? 50,000 guaranteed visitors account, okay? Multi-commission system, 18 Worldprofit sites that are free to join with bonus credits and more. 500,000 credits free and easy. Social network and mini blog package. I like that because man, yeah, that's cool. As a matter of fact, all of this is cool, really. Okay. Generate organic search traffic to your ads. Massive marketplace. Get your website in front of, look at this, thousands in minutes. Folks, this is absolutely incredible. AdStream. Get your link on our WP AdStream, no limits for 1 year. Okay. Worldprofit Solo Email Blaster, post to 3,000 every 3 days. And look at this, for what? Absolutely free. Look, I know it's a lot of stuff out there, but this is one tool that you just simply need to put into practice if you're going to be working online. You're trying to make money online, you're trying to build anything, okay? You're trying to share a product, trying to share a service, trying to share an opportunity. Guess what? You need this squeege page builder, but you need the whole system, and the whole system, you get signed up for free. This is crazy, all right? But there you have it, guys. Look, I've said enough, all right? And again, I'm going to leave 2 links for you. One is going to be to my newsletter. The other is going to be to this incredible program. You can get signed up for free. There are many free benefits, free advertising that you can use. There's also some paid stuff there too. I'm not trying to blow any smoke, but man, but there's so much free that you got to get in it. Okay. There's so much free that you got to be in this. All right. And use it for, use it for your benefit, and help others, understand what this program is all about. All right. I said enough. Wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.